Alright, so we're back with another vid. So last vid we told you we were doing the LED bar on the front of the truck. So we have the running lights and the sequential turn signals. We made a kit for everybody. So this is what the kit comes with. It comes with your 2 light bars for the grill and the 6 splice connectors you'll need to tap into the headlights and the turn signal wires. So let's go to the truck, show you the tools you need. It's a little bit of a process. Alright, so you're gonna need some pliers, 10 mil socket, and then like a step bit or drill or whatever. So first you're gonna have to get your 10 mil socket on here, and it's gonna be these 4 bolts right here, this, and this. And then you have to push down on these clips. They'll be in here. You have to push down on them and yank out the whole grill like this. It moves as one piece. And then it's free like this, and you can move this back as well. So then you're gonna get your step bit, come drill your hole right here for the wire to pass through, and then you're gonna want to come on the back side and do the same thing on this side as well. Then you just want to get your light. So the wires need to be towards the center because the sequential turn signal goes towards the outside of the truck. Then you just got to pass these through one at a time. Come on, bud. All right, bet. That's 3 of them. What's going on? All right, then you want to pass the wire through. All right, so you'll be here. You got your wires through the hole in the bumper. I can see it.
Yeah, they can see that. You can open it up.
All right,
So right there.
then they're underneath here. There's slots.
I don't know if I'm gonna get in.
You're not gonna be able to see that, but you can pass these through. And they come out right here.
There you go. That's a good visual.
And then you can yank. Just get your wire through. Alright. Alright, now everything's where it needs to be. So what we're going to want to do is let this go across like this, and then we're going to zip tie to this same like bundle on the truck, and then we're going to tap in these wires. So when you get your splices and your wire through, you're going to want to splice the white wire from the LED harness into the yellow wire on the signal. You're going to want the black wire from the harness onto the black wire of the headlight housing. Then you're going to want the red wire on the harness to this brown and blue. Can they see that?
I think so.
This brown and blue wire right here on this headlight harness. Then you can test it by unlocking your doors. And if it stays solid white, you tapped the wrong wire, so just rewatch it. But now you can. We're going to clean these up, throw some tape on, plug it back in, and we'll see you in a second. Alright, so once your wires are all cleaned up, everything's plugged back in, the last thing to do is actually mount this. So you can peel off the red, which is for the adhesive. Then you're going to want to get this how you want. I'm guessing something like that. Now you could leave it like this, or you could put in the included screws. I don't know, I might rock it like this. What do you think?
I don't know. We can always come back and put the screws on.
Yeah, the screws come in the kit, so you can put the screws on.
They go in the little holes.
Yeah, right here and here. I'm just gonna leave mine and taped on right now. See how it goes. So we're gonna do the other side and cut to when we're showing you what wires to do. Alright, so we did the same thing on this side. We drilled our hole, we ran it through the grill, through the back part of this, and we have the wires coming out over here. So we're gonna zip tie it to probably this bracket or something. So the ones you want to do on this side, the white is a turn signal one. It's the blue and white one on the turn signal itself. So we'll plug that in. Man, this joint's stiff. Alright. Then the red, we want going to this blue and green wire. Can I see that?
I think they can see
Blue
that.
and green. That's the red on the light bar. Get in your home, guy. Alright. Now the black wire on our harness goes to the black and green on the headlight harness. Plug that bad boy in. Now you can,
Clean that shit up a little bit.
yeah, put some more electric tape on here, zip tie it, clean it up how you want to clean it up. Alright, once your wires and everything are good, before you tape everything up, you can hit unlock on your key and test, make sure both are still working. Then we're gonna put some electric tape on here, plug everything back in for the lights, zip tie this how we want it, and then we're gonna have to put this back together. We'll show you how that goes, so we'll be back when everything's cleaned up. Alright, so now that you're done everything, you want to put the grill back on. So you want to pull it back, shove it in there on both sides, give it a good push. This will come back. You need this push pins that go right here. You put the bottom, push. Where's the other one? Where's the other push pin?
Where's the other one? Is it not up there? Where'd you get that last one?
I don't know.
It's in my pocket.
Oh yeah, it's up here. LOL. Push this, stick the bottom, push that. So now you want to get your bolts. There's 4 of them. The ones we talked about. This one, this one, this one, this one. Try and put these in real fast. It's starting to rain, so you know we're just out here trying to finish up the vid.
All for you guys.
Meanwhile, it's starting to supposed to be getting a storm. It doesn't look like it.
Yeah, you haven't looked the other way behind you.
It don't look that bad.
It don't look that bad. It's too dark though.
Torque these to about 1 million foot-pounds. If you know it's good for you. What you want to do is torque them so much that they break. Alright, so before you actually lock everything up, make sure your cable's through, because it wasn't want to slide because of the angle it was at. But we got this side ready. Grab this.
Yeah, let me get a good view. Let me get a good view of the back of this. If you can learn how to use some fucking tape.
Then you want to grab this joker, slap him up, give it the old push of good faith. And yeah, you could put the screws in. We're not putting it in ours. We're just going to trust the process of the tape.
That, and he said he might adjust where they're at. He said he might move them further.
Yeah,
So-
I'm not 100% sure where I want them. But
Okay.
tighten these up.
Just like the camera. It's been a while since I got one of these.
Yeah, we can start it. Yeah, not giving you guys a look, so we gotta. This when you unlock it. You do anything when you lock it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh, my headlight's not on.
There you go.
Whoops. Make sure you push them all the way in. How's it looking?
Looking pretty good. They can't get the best view because of this fucking piece of design. But Now we're doing something.
Oh yeah. Alright, well that's the running light turn signal kit that we sell. Everything's gonna be in the description. If you have any questions, you can reach out, put in the comments, or email us. But if you want a kit, they're for sale now. Hope you guys enjoy them. I think it does something the truck needed. I like how it looks. How about you?
Not bad.
Yeah.
You can do
So
something with these.
yeah.
Truck out the way. There you go.
Yeah. That looks pretty good. We'll try and get some pics and videos in the dark. Hope you enjoy the vid. Thanks everyone for subbing. And we gotta announce the giveaway winner, so we'll see you inside. Alright, we're about to do the giveaway winner. There's 86 comments, so we're gonna go hit the number generator. 1 to 86.
86.
Enter. 57. Alright, well, count to 57.
Okay, give me a sec. Okay, we're good.
We're good?
Yeah, this. Wow.
Who is that?
Daniel
Man,
Hoochins.
can y'all see that?
Daniel Hoochins? He'll take an orange one.
You'll take an orange one? Alright, well.
Sounds like you're getting an orange one. Sorry,
Email
the
us.
computer started lagging. That's why I was like, you won't believe it.
Email us at 2randomscrubs@gmail.com or comment on this vid. Try to sort you out, but we just need like your address and shit, and we'll get that on your way. Thanks everyone for entering the giveaway. We got another one coming up soon. At how many subs? At 400 subs, we're gonna do another giveaway. So if you want to see another one, make sure you subscribe. Thanks for checking out the vid. Thanks to everyone who subscribed. Hope you enjoyed the kits.
Yeah.
And we'll see you.
Look, real close to 402.
372, almost there. So we'll see you next time, whenever that is.